हॅलो, आता आपण आहोत ज्ञाती ग्रुपच्या स्टॉल वरती आणि आपल्याला जॉईन करतायत आनंद सावंत सर. सर हॅलो, प्लीज आपल्याला आपले प्रोजेक्ट कुठे चालू आहेत आणि त्याचे USPs आणि आपल्या ग्रुप बद्दल थोडीशी माहिती आपल्या व्ह्यूअर्सना द्या.
Okay, so first of all, I will start with the introduction of my company. Our company name is Jnati Group. So basically, we are a 28 years old company in the market within Pune itself. So talking about the company and its portfolio, we are not only present in real estate, but we also take care for the EPC part, hospitality and well-being, as well as we operate in the CSR activities as well. So by coming towards our residential projects, so for the first time we have come up in the premium luxury segment. The first project which I have already launched, that is in Sadashivpet. As you can see, this is the exact elevation for the Sarkar Nagar. So here we are offering 4 BHK palatial residences with a carpet area starting from 2,600. So this project is exactly located at the foothills of Talchai Tikri, wherein you can get a lifetime open view of the Tikri. So as you can see, this is our second project in Sadashivpet. So the project name is Jnati Ivania, where we have launched premium 2, 3 and 4 BHK residences with office and shops as well. So the location is very well connected to the city part, in the heart of the city, wherein you can travel in each and every part of the city on the minutes of time. Now we are continuing with our segment, that is we are coming in the west part of the Pune city, the most prominent location and the most demanded location, that is Baner. So in Baner we are having a development of 2 BHK and 3 BHK apartments, wherein the development is being constructed into 15 acres of land parcel with 14 towers of G+29 high rise, wherein you will be getting a lifetime open view of the Baner and Pashan Hills. So now I am going to showcase you my another project that is located in West Pune near Chandni Chowk, Bavdan. The project name is Jnati Equinox. The project is very well located to the city part and the highway part, wherein you can get the best connectivity for your IT park, that is Hinjawadi, Baner, Balewadi. Then coming towards the east part, you can easily travel via metro to the east part, that is Kharadi, Viman Nagar and many more. So in this project, we get a lifetime open view of the NDA Hills, which will be around 5,000 plus acres of open view, where in future there will be no construction coming in. So the configurations what we are offering here is 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK residences. Thank you.